Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create another Proton Mail account. This is helpful if you want separate accounts for work, personal use, or privacy reasons. So the first thing that you will have to do is either sign out to your existing account or open a new browser, and then what you will have to do is you will look for Proton Mail official website. So you will just have to wait for it to load and yeah. So now that you're here, you will just have to click create account. And of course, you will have to select your plan, which is either free, mail plus, Proton Unlimited, Proton Family. So it really depends on your needs. So what you will have to do after choosing your plan, you will just have to enter your username and your password and make sure to create a strong password for security. And after that, you will just have to complete the verification. You could either verify via SMS or alternative method. And after that, you will just have to basically log into your new account. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.